how to change the hardware accelerator in Google Colab. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you how you can quickly change the hardware accelerator in Google Colab. So let's start. First, head on to the colab.research.google.com in order to enter your Google Colab. Now, once you have loaded up your notebook and you wish to run it on any particular GPU or TPU and wish to determine which one, I'll show you how to do that. So for that, click onto this runtime button and from here, click change runtime type. Once you do this, it will show the runtime type and just below that, it will show you the hardware accelerator. From here, you can choose if you wish to run it on CPU, the free T4 GPU or the V5E1 TPU as well. So you can choose between the CPU, GPU and TPU and also check for the runtime versions as well. Simply click onto the save button and the particular instance will be successfully saved. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.